So you know where we're going? We're going this way, right? He doesn't speak English, and I don't speak French. No English, right?
No English.
And me no French.
French.
This is the view outside the window. It's incredible. We've had such an unbelievable trip. And it's not over yet. Today, went and chased dolphin, mahi-mahi. And found them. A bunch of triple tail. Some wahoo.
The beginning of meditation.
Dove right off the back. Rainbow runners. And the weather's still holding. This is the strongest wind we've had the whole time. We're 100 something miles from land. Haven't seen boats in 3 or 4 days. Unbelievable. We got the crew out over there catching some wahoo. Awesome.